This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Monday. We are getting after it today. Happy start of the week. Yay. Yay, start of the week. Woo. Guys, we're getting after it. We have a lot to talk about today, right? Who is this? Juanito with the roses, right? Guys, we're getting after everything today. I'm so excited to talk to you, to be back on stream after such a beautiful weekend. Oh my freaking gosh, yay for the weekend. I want to say good morning to every single one of you as you guys are checking out our 3 amazing sponsors, and that includes Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then hop over to Gemini, trade $100 in crypto, get $15 in Bitcoin. Speaking of Gemini, I will be hosting a Spaces for them today at 11:30 a.m. Eastern. So literally right after this stream ends, you're going to take a few minutes, sip some extra coffee, brew the second cup, and you're going to come to this stream. So it's going to be on X, 11:30 a.m. Guests include Frankie Candles, Tom Crown, and we have Garrett Soloway and Arcane Bear. We possibly will have some more guests, but they are unconfirmed as of this moment. But we do have a fire panel, and I was so excited. So shout out to Frankie for joining me this morning. Bing bong. And 11:30 a.m. Eastern. So we might have some more guests to add. We shall see. We have in the chat, we got David Lee in the chat, Tyler Fitzpatrick, all set. Nice to see you. John Legend, Mike Vollmer, David Bulls. Oh boy. Black Hat, good morning. Ron Beal, Joe Harvey, good morning. Sola Hefe is in the chat. Aquarian, Mark Smithson. We have boo, 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 boo. Wow, you guys are chatting it up. Andy S, good morning. John Jermaine, good morning. Sean, good morning. Fresh bottle of water for you, my friends. Who else we got in the chat? Oh my gosh, you guys are so beautiful, aren't you? True, good morning. Vest, shout out to you. Yes, shout out to you, Vest. We love a vest, and you're awesome too. DeBeezy, hello. He said, "Da cat loves Randy." Oh, thank you. Much love. Much love. Ben Spada said, "Good morning, fam. I was on vacation last week," and he said, "Sorry for that." Don't be sorry for going on vacation and touching grass and possibly touching water. So that's good stuff. Hope you had a good time, Ben. Sophisticated, good morning. Tesla model Doge is in the chat. Good morning. Don Juan Will, good morning. Squeaky, the one is in the chat. Animal, my Litecoin bestie Animal is in the chat. Hello, Animal. James, good morning. Sir Wick, good morning. Oh, sheesh. Wick, are you feeling okay, Wick? Do you feel better? Do you feel better? He said X space, yay. Yes. Spaces with Gemini, 11:30 a.m. Tom Crown, Frankie Candles, Garrett Soloway, Arcane Bear. Confirmed. Boom. Right cheeks, good morning. Who else is on TikTok? Batman, good morning. Deso, good morning. Politically Incorrect, nice to see you. We have Saul, good morning. All right, beautiful. I think I got everyone on TikTok from earlier. Yay, we are getting after it. Yeah. Chris Allen, Bullish Bradley. Hello. And if anybody is new to the show today, then you better tell me so I can give you love. Now, please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. We also have some goals in terms of subscribers. And all I'm asking for is 4 more right now to reach 16,910 subscribers. So 4 more. Let's get it. Also, I wanted to ask y'all, can I have a sound check? Baby, it's a sound check. I want to check the sweet mic. Why don't you check yourself? All right. Oh, Sir Love is in the chat with the little hands, sun emoji, coffee emoji. Nice to see ya. Wick. Where does comment go? He said, "I'm feeling 95% better. All right, beautiful, beautiful. He's 95% better. I will take that. I will take that. That's beautiful. And you have a beautiful wifey beside you with curly hair. Now, let's continue our way. We have news, breaking news. And that is tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. There is going to be a conversation that might break the platform we call X nowadays. And it is Elon Musk interviewing Donnie T live on Spaces or on X. We're not actually sure if it's on Spaces, but live on X, which primarily in the past they have used Spaces. It might be Spaces with video or a straight up live stream. Elon says, this is unscripted with no limits on subject matter, so should be highly entertaining. If you have specific questions and comments, post them under the chat. What chat? Spaces chat or live chat? We shall see. This is huge, especially because it seems as though Donnie T might actually be getting shadow banned on X, but we're not sure, being that at 3 a.m., so around, at this point, 7 hours ago, Donnie T posted a post saying, they want to silence me because I will never let them silence you. They're not coming after me. They're coming after you. I just happen to be standing in their way, and I'm never moving. We will make America great again. Hashtag Trump on X. He posted a little adjular here, a little advertisement, some, I don't know, maybe propaganda, as this is all what it is anyway, from either side. But this is what we're seeing right here. Donnie T is back on X. However, this is where people get a little sus. That this tweet was up for, again, around 7 hours now. But you go on Donnie T's X and you see that there is no post since August 24th. You look at the replies. Nothing. You look at the media. Nothing. Diddly do. And that's it. So we don't know what's happening with Donnie T on X. Is he really back on X? This is his real tweet, except that it does not show it on his feed. I don't know. People are upset about it. Just throwing it out there. But that is the latest news on Donnie T and Elon Musk. So I felt like I should share it with you guys because you guys need to know what's going on, especially because this might include some Bitcoin and crypto conversation. At least that's what I'm hoping for, as Elon loves his Dogecoin and Donnie T is now a proponent of cryptocurrency. Who knows? Someone in the chat, Scato, said, New York is bearish when you left. I honestly, bro, I've seen a lot of things go south since I left, especially in my old neighborhoods. Oh, yeah, dude, things are going absolutely bonkers in New York ever since I left, I must say. Thank gosh I left when I did. I'll say that. Going off of the, I believe that's it for the political news today. We don't got to talk more about that. Let's talk about something bullish before we talk about something that really hurts my heart. And I'm gonna say right here that I'm a little sad about some things going on in this world. But this is why we're here. Firstly, we have Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital plans a $250 million private note sale to fund more buying of the Bitcoin. This is Marathon Digital. MARA is the ticker for the stock market. It plans to sell $250 million of convertible notes in a private placement to fund purchases of Bitcoin and general corporate purposes. The notes will pay interest every 6 months and mature September 1st, 2031. The rate of interest and conversion rate will be set during the pricing process, the Fort Lauderdale, Florida-based miner said in a statement. They already hold more Bitcoin than its peers, with a stash of more than 20,800 Bitcoin valued at $1.2 billion at current prices. And Marathon sold 51% of the Bitcoin it mined in the second quarter to fund its operating costs. However, they recently announced that it bought $100 million worth of Bitcoin in the open market and readopted a strategy to fully hold all Bitcoin in its balance sheet. We could take a live gander at the price now that I believe the stockery market is live. Let's take a look at Marathon Digital this morning, as it was taking a little bit of a dip, but now we're looking here and it seems as though it is on that train still. down around 10.75% this morning. We're going to be looking at a few levels to watch on Marathon. So if y'all are ready, then again, please make sure you're smashing the likes. You're sharing this out with friends. We get ready for the zest. Now, $15.21 is Marathon Digital this morning, almost down like 11%. We're trying to border this $14.76 mark as in the past when we found it as support. It did bring us great love and joy. Bearish scenario here for Marathon is your $11.72, as we could see in the past how important it was. We could even expand these lines out even farther into the past, like 2020 times. Oh my gosh, remember those days of 2020? Feels like forever ago. Feels like forever ago. But people have short memories, and that's the thing. People have short memories. There is a red dot printing upon market Cipher, the beautiful indicator with Marathon Digital. The whole market has been taking a hit, especially the stock market. Blah, as usual. It's just a matter of when they print more money, they pump it up because they have to do something with it, don't they? Don't they? Oh, Moo Echo, good morning. Guys, please make sure you smash the likes. Listen to Piano, Maddie B.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
I think we should have some Bitcoin miner emojis in the chat. We need all the emojis to fly this morning. Fly emojis, fly like a birdie. All right, next, we got Tigran. And this is where my heart hurts a little bit. And I just need to get past this subject. I want to talk about it. I want to discuss it, and people need to know. And we're going to put the energy out there to free Tigran. Now, Tigran, who is this? Tigran is the Binance associate or compliance officer. That was one of two executives from Binance that were sent to Nigeria earlier this year, in around February, to just have a meeting with the Nigerian government. However, they show up, passports are taken, one executive somehow flees the country, Tigran is left and almost in detrimental condition, where his life is at risk, his health is deteriorating, where we've had hundreds of people in the federal government write letters to our current president begging him to go free Tigran. And we've seen in the past that people that are being held hostage in other countries, oh darn, they get freed, but just when it's politically aligned. Tigran is a former IRS agent that sees the billions of dollars on behalf of this administration, this govy, yet is being left almost for dead in Nigeria. And this is absolutely heartbreaking. And I think people need to know about it. Please write hashtag free Tigran in the chat. Please, you guys need to know what's going on with him. We need to share this out with friends so people know what's going on with this poor man. His family, he has a wife, he has children that are waiting at home for him. And this is horrible, absolutely horrible. Tigran, the U.S. Binance employee held in Nigeria, is being denied adequate access to his legal team, and his health is deteriorating rapidly, according to his family. He was brought by wheelchair to a courtroom for a hearing on July 16th. The court then went on holiday with the next hearing set for October 11th. Guys, that's 2 months from now. His legal team has not been allowed to visit him in the prison since July 26th, and he is now bedridden, according to the email. Tigran's lawyers have filed a request for his case to be heard over the recess period. His family also said the prison continues to hold the Binance executive's medical records despite the court order for officials at the prison to release them. Quote, the herniated disc in Tigran's back requires highly specialized and risky surgery. He has had so many throat infections as well as pneumonia that he now also requires a further surgery to remove his tonsils. As he is mostly bedridden, he is now having to take blood thinners to avoid blood clots. Members of Congress, former IRS agents, everybody and their mother writing letters to this admin, yet they are not freeing him when he's absolutely and completely innocent. Somebody that has no decision-making power at Binance is being held accountable for things, again, he had nothing to do with. money laundering, displacement of the naira. That is that government's fault. If their fiat currency is deteriorating, there's no one to blame but them. This poor man went there healthy, and now he is bedridden and his life is at risk. Where's the humanity here? There is none. Why? Because the Nigerian government wanted a nice little payment, a nice little cha-ching to make this all go away. But Tigran said no. He wouldn't go that route. And now he's in one of the worst prisons in the world, being treated absolutely horribly, all because of a corrupt government. We cannot let this happen, especially to people in the United States, because it shows if they're not going to come and save him, what would they do for everyday citizens? Nothing. John Legend, you said it's sus. He must have something on them. And the thing they have on them is he didn't pay them off. They wanted a nice little payment for this all to go away, and he said no. He was charged with money laundering. He pled not guilty. Tax charges that were filed against him that were dropped. This is a corrupt government. This is so sus. And the United States, being supposedly the most powerful country in the world and not being able to free this man or stick up for him, even if they do not like what he does, that is nasty. Nasty. Free Tigran, free Tigran, free Tigran. He does know a lot. He does know a lot, Memory Man. That's true. Absolutely. Poor Tigran. Free him. Free him, free him, free him. Guys, please smash the like, share this out with friends. People need to know what's going on with him. So we're going to continue on because my heart just breaks when I talk about this. And I just talk about it because it needs to be spoken about. There needs to be energy put into this subject, and hopefully he gets freed one day. Free him. There's some drama with stablecoins and things going on in that regard. Something that's not that bad is that Tether and Circle's combined supply grew $3 billion amidst the rebound in the market. People could say this isn't much of a rebound, but we did pretty well. We did pretty well. We battled the 200-day SMA. We're currently losing the battle. Though we could look at the chart and see that we bounced a nice 11%, coming back to life. And since then, we have dumped 5%. So we gave some of that gain back. We're steadily working our way up. We're steadily working our way. Here's the latest. The two top stables, USDT and USDC, grew nearly $3 billion in a week, a sign that investors rushed to buy crypto at lower prices after Monday's tumble. Tether transferred $1.3 billion of Tether to exchanges and market makers since Monday. With the latest issuance, USDT's market cap climbed over $115 billion, a new high. The market cap of USDC grew some $1.6 billion this week to around $34.5 billion, the highest since March of last year. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Oh, wow. Even the CEO of Binance was tweeting last week, Richard Tang, that it was one of the largest volume days they've had on Binance in years was due to the market crackdown, where people were fading Bitcoin. They were like, oh no, we're going to 10K again. I'm just kidding. Not many people said that. But people are throwing crazy things out there like 20K, 30K. Oh boy. Though we have bounced back quite a lot, people don't know what's going to happen next. And that's really the beauty of the industry. Even though there's tough times that we go through, just like Tether fighting Celsius $3.3 billion shakedown litigation. Take a gander. Celsius drama is still happening. We're still seeing the ripple effects of FTX, BlockFi, Celsius, and all the things that are not here anymore. Tether, the company behind USDT, said it will defend itself against what it called a shakedown litigation brought by Celsius. On Friday, Celsius asked the bankruptcy court of the Southern District of New York to order Tether to relinquish a total of 57,428 Bitcoin or award the present value of all Bitcoin, some $3.3 billion at today's price. This lawsuit is incredibly crazy. I'm going to say that for one reason only. That Celsius, this should have been buttoned up years ago. But we're going back to this. This lawsuit incredibly now seeks the return of approximately $2.4 billion worth of Bitcoin from Tether, despite Bitcoin being liquidated at Celsius' discretion and with Celsius' consent at June 2022 prices. Tether did not say how it calculated that figure, though it's true. How is this still going on from years ago? It's because they're grasping at money. Celsius messed up big time. This concerns a loan agreement between Celsius and Tether that allowed Celsius to borrow stablecoins to operate certain critical aspects of its business. In the filing, Celsius alleges that when the market crashed, the 90-day period prior to Celsius' bankruptcy filing, Tether insulated itself from the impending bankruptcy by making preferential and fraudulent transfers of Bitcoin. How do you do that? How do you do that? How do you make fraudulent transactions? The reason why we're in crypto is because of a beautiful thing called, hold on, the blockchain. And the blockchain proves when Bitcoin was sent and received, and who sent it, who received it, where'd the money go? That's the point. How did they make fraudulent transactions? As the Tether CEO, Paolo, stepped up in a post on X, and he defended himself and his honor, darn it. He said, the price of Bitcoin falls below the margin call price, and in 2022, the world discovered that while almost every player was lending to its customers, Tether required over-collateralization with sound assets like Bitcoin. He then continues and says, now, more than 2 years later, this baseless lawsuit is trying to claim that we should give back the Bitcoin that we sold to cover Celsius's position. There are plenty of flaws in that claimant's filing, and we're very confident in the solidity of our contract and our actions. This lawsuit will be fought till the end. It's important to set an example on behalf of the entire industry that shameless money grabs will not work. He does add that USDT holders will not be impacted as well. So Tether CEO Paolo absolutely going off, and as he should, because if you're trying to steal money from Tether, that's absolutely silly. Absolutely silly. How do you say there's fraudulent Bitcoin transactions? You could prove that easily if they were. I just wish the CEO of Tether was just like, hey, here's the transaction, but maybe they don't want to dox their Bitcoin wallet. Although they do mine quite a lot of Bitcoin, Tether. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. They skipped the steps and found a loophole, basically. Absolutely. Hello, Mars and Shane. Hello. Shane says he loves the awareness. We're just getting after it. And the shenanigans, which are very accurate, Tyler says, I have to deal with the Celsius shenanigans. Celsius messed up millions of people. I learned my mistake and only self-custody my crypto assets. Yep. Oh, hello, Frankie.
You're welcome.
Hey, Randy. So pumped for the space today. Everyone smash that like.
Bing bang. Bing bang. Bing bang.
Oh, baby.
Hello, Frankie Candles. Welcome to the show, my friends. And yes, my paisan will be joining me on Spaces. Again, we're going to promo the beautiful Gemini Spaces. Gemini, the top crypto exchange in the world. We're going to be hosting a Spaces for them this morning. Please make sure you guys check it out. 11:30 a.m. Eastern. Frankie Candles, Tom Crone, Arcane Bear, Gareth Soloway. We're going to get it. Thank you, Frankie. Thank you for stopping by, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sticking with the stable coins, the coins that are supposedly stable, we have Ripple, who just recently battled it out with the SEC, paid their, or is going to pay their $125 million fine to get this all done and over with. Unless the SEC appeals that case, we have yet to see if the FUD headlines really come in and if the SEC is really going to grapple at what may be their last few months in their position. Ripple has another plan for its future, and that includes its own stablecoin. People are a little bit suspect, especially because isn't the point of XRP supposed to be bank transfers and money between people and just payments for that in general? Now they're coming out with the stablecoin, which doesn't it conflict with their idea of XRP? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. As they are testing it on Ethereum and XRPL, aka XRP Ledger. Ripple, the enterprise-focused blockchain service closely related to XRP Ledger, said Friday that it begun testing its stablecoin on Ethereum mainnet and XRPL. Quote, Ripple USD is currently in its beta phase and is being rigorously tested by our enterprise partners. This phase is crucial for ensuring that the stablecoin meets the highest standards of security, efficiency, and reliability before it becomes widely available and after receipt of regulatory approval. This came out when Ripple said in April that they wanted to grow the stablecoin market with their own stablecoin with this US dollar pegged token. We shall see how it all works out, but this RLUSD is what they're calling it, Ripple USD, is backed by short-term U.S. treasuries, dollar deposits, and cash equivalents. The reserves will be audited by a third-party accounting firm, and Ripple plans to report monthly attestations, the blog post said. They'll offer both RLUSD and XRP for global payment services to clients. The stablecoin isn't tradable yet and has not received regulatory approval. Will this be another headline? Another FUD thrown at XRP and the Ripple ecosystem and the company itself that maybe Gary Gensler and the hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemers of the SEC. This might be their opportunity to throw some shots. No more stablecoins. The only people that can issue stablecoins are JP Morgan, Citibank deposit tokens, and PayPal USD. Nothing else. Nothing else. Maybe USDC, as they don't like Tether in the United States. And maybe, as they are coming out with new stablecoin bills and things of the like, they want US-based stablecoins, such as Circle, which, if the stablecoin legislation that they want to put out there was already out there previous to USDC, it wouldn't exist. We'll just throw that out there. Ripple wants to take over. They want enterprise blockchains, which are detrimental to your freedom. They don't like you. They blacklist you, and you don't get to do anything with yourself. CBDCs, social credit score. That's what their goal is. Although, we shall see how far it really gets. If it will be listed on exchanges, if our current administration and the future administration, if it changes, will allow this stablecoin to do something and get the liquidity. That's the thing. Will they allow it? There's a lot of speculation with XRP at the moment, although it is battling some critical levels on the charts, which we'll get to in a moment. We see that XRP bullish options popularity jump may be due to maybe, just maybe, some ETF speculation. Brad Garlinghouse and a bunch of other people behind XRP, they do believe that there should be an ETF. They don't see a reason why there shouldn't be an ETF, especially since, according to the filings and the SEC case, that institutional sales of XRP were securities. Now, that is what they paid the $125 million fine for. However, retail investors buying XRP from exchanges was not a security. So does that clear the way for the ETF? If you guys think there should be an XRP ETF, put a 1 or a yes emoji, or a 2 and a no emoji. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Deribit's nascent options market for XRP is experiencing a surge in activity, particularly in the $1.10 call option that represent a bet that prices for the payments-focused crypto will double by the end of the month. As of writing, XRP's $1.10 call option set to expire August 28th had an open interest of 4,347,000 contracts valued at $2.44 million, making it the most favored among all available XRP options on the exchange. The so-called open interest, or number of active bets, has increased by 838,000 contracts in the last 5 months alone. Seems as though people are very bullish on XRP. Going to the chart now, 56 cents, almost 57 cents. We were over 57 cents at 58, almost 58 cents this morning. 2.91% in the green right now. We do have a fresh red dot that was printed just a few days ago, actually yesterday, as it has refreshed on my computer. 11 of August. Today is the 12th. So yes, this was just printed, bringing down the momentum. The VWAP is below the zero line. However, we have that smidge of green. Will it grow? Will the money flow? Will people really be putting that liquidity into XRP? RSI right now had a little bit of like a jump, a little bit of a jolt. It's like when they're like, you know, clear, boom. That's what happened to XRP RSI. Just absolutely exploded from bearish to bullish. Now bordering that neutral line here at the 50. Will we go bullish? Are you bullish on XRPs? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, a 2 or a no emoji. Are you bullish on XRP? Too many people hold XRP and have sell orders. It will be hard to get to $1, says Andy S. You know, I think a lot of people do want to make those profits with XRP, especially because they've been holding for a million years with not a lot of price action. The top for XRP goes back quite a long time. Hold on, I'm going to zoom out for you guys just a moment here. Goes back to 2017, where this was like the ICO boom boom. Over here, around $3.50 was the high. Seems as though it has tried to rebound in the past back here in 2021, where we were at like $1.97. But I do know the selling pressure is immense, especially where people started to take profits when we hit that 64 cents, as they have been waiting for it for a very long time. Your neutral scenario for XRP is to remain above 54 cents, the 200-day SMA. Bearish scenario, if it's rejected, is 48 cents. Bullish is 64, as we keep on mentioning. That's your latest XRP news. XRP. Kevin Gillette. Kevin. Nice to see you, my friend. Thank you for the hand hearts. Thank you for the rosy poos. I appreciate you. Kevin's always on point, man. Kevin's always on point. Thank you. Kevin is just a shining light on TikTok all the time. Now that we were talking about an XRP ETF, this is when we got to talk about Bitcoin ETF, as Morgan Stanley's Bitcoin ETF is live. Not their own ETF, worded it a little funky there, though they are offering Bitcoin ETFs to wealthy clients, their financial advisors, which are financial advisors a boomer job? I think so. I think financial advisors maybe won't exist in the future. I think it'll be far and few between, is my opinion. Because people online now, we have a lot of access to information where I would not, use a financial advisor if I was like, you know, investing. Because what are they going to tell me? Oh, don't buy Bitcoin. Oh, you're a weenie, dude. You're a weenie. Though SEC officials may think the same exact thing as they're saying that Morgan Stanley pushing Bitcoin ETFs is a death wish. I laugh at these people, bro. Morgan Stanley, the largest wealth manager in the U.S., could face intense compliance scrutiny after allowing its entire team of financial advisors to start pitching Bitcoin ETFs. This is a warning from crypto skeptic John Reed Stark, a former SEC commissioner, said, quote, by unleashing its legion of 15,000 brokers to pitch Bitcoin, Morgan Stanley has just voluntarily subjected themselves to what would likely become the largest SEC and FINRA, F-I-N-R-A, examination sweep in history. Identifying violations will be like shooting fish in a barrel. So whoever Morgan Stanley's current compliance director is, well, good luck with that. Psh, psh. Are you... Let me just throw this out there first. Why would this guy say that other than he wants to FUD? Two, they're not offering Bitcoin. They're offering Bitcoin ETFs. So let's go back a minute here. You're not offering Bitcoin. You're offering something else that gives you exposure to Bitcoin. No one that is buying the ETFs actually owns Bitcoin. You sell it, you get your cash. Another point. What about JP Morgan that has been secretly offering Bitcoin to its clients for years? Yet, no, not one headline has come out about that. Yet Morgan Stanley offering Bitcoin ETFs, which isn't even Bitcoin, to its clients is a death wish? Psh, that is ridiculous. Are you kidding me? Bro, these people have a lot of audacity, I may say. They have a lot of audacity. A lot of audacity. Guys, we need 8 more likes for 100. Do you have the audacity to smash a like? I'm going to say yes, you do. I'm going to say yes, you do. Pump it up.
Oh, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Pamp it up. J-Mac, thank you for the rose over there on the TikToks. Appreciate it. Shout out to Alex O Crypto. He just got married and he's having a baby soon. Yay, baby's life. Okay. Sheesh, man. Sheesh, we're going to talk about the IRS. Oh! That's what I feel every time I hear or see the name IRS. The IRS shares a new crypto tax form and is inviting the industry for some input, which is hilarious, being that do they ever ask for input? Do they ever do anything that hasn't the opinion of the people? That's fun.
Bruh.
That's hilarious. Here's the latest on the IRS. The IRS has released an updated draft version of the tax form for crypto brokers and investors that they'll use to report proceeds from certain transactions. Beginning 2026, crypto investors who use brokers, which for now are like Coinbase, Kraken, will receive the 1099 DA for those brokers to report certain crypto sale and exchange transactions to the IRS as taxable events. The updated version of the 1099 DA released Friday is more streamlined than the first draft. The space is for investors to write their wallet address and transaction IDs, which raised significant privacy concerns when the form was first unveiled, and it has been removed. There is no longer a requirement to include the time of the relevant transactions, just the date. Hilarious. Hilarious. They want you to give your whole life story. And then they're like, maybe like we'll take that back just a little bit. The IRS is hilarious. This is what they said. The new Form 1099 DA will help taxpayers comply with the complex world of digital assets. It complements the 6045 broker regulations released recently and provides a vehicle in which taxpayers can report their in-scope digital asset gains and losses starting in the tax year 2025. Hold the front door. Let me ask a question really quick. Let me ponder a moment here as I wonder. When I read the economic report of the president from 2023, it did describe crypto not being money, saying that it doesn't have the qualities of money, which is one, being issued from a centralized entity such as a central bank or Federal Reserve. That's missing from Bitcoin and crypto. Then you have the store of value part. According to the economic report of the president, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is not a store of value. According to the government officials in the past, they've also said that Bitcoin and crypto has no intrinsic value. So my question is to the IRS and all agencies that are 3 letters and absolutely buck wild, why are you taxing people on crypto when apparently it means nothing to you? When apparently it has no value, apparently it's not money. I would call this hypocrisy. I would call this regulation by enforcement. As you dive deeper into the situation, you realize that there are no rules and regulations for crypto. What's a security? What's a commodity? How should this really be taxed? And is all crypto transactions going to be taxed the same when at the end of the day, this is currency? As they may not think it is currency. Why don't we have answers on how this should be taxed? How each cryptocurrency should be categorized? Meme coins from Bitcoin, payments tokens, buying items IRL with cryptocurrency. Let me know what that is. How do you tax that? But they just want to come after your money. They know that if you're getting paid in crypto, they want a chunk. That if you are making gains on your crypto, they don't want you to have it. What's the point of making money if they're just going to take it from you? Why is there a 1099 DA when there is no rules, regulations, and clarification as to how this would work? And what's classified as what? It doesn't exist. So for that reason, they should not have this. And the public has 30 days to provide the IRS with comments. Why don't you tell us what's a commodity and what's a security first? Thieves. Thieves. That's not cool. Right, Kevin, with almost 200 roses on TikTok. Killing me. He's what's keeping me from being completely unhinged right now. Yes, no, the Noogle is messed up. The Noogle is messed up. Put Noogle emojis in the chat because it's leaving. Because it's leaving the darn station. Horrible. Hucksters, fraudsters.
Fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
They don't even know what an NFT is. You're gonna freaking tell me that I can't sell my crypto and I gotta give you a 1099-D freaking A? Are you kidding me? You don't even know what this thing is yet. I doubt any of these IRS agents even hold Bitcoin in a darn wallet. What are you talking about? Have you used Uniswap, bro? Right, Kevin? 388 roses. BS with 2. It's crazy. Mind blown. Mind blown. These people never cease to amaze me in the worst ways possible. Yeah, crypto's not worth anything, but if you make money with it, then it's real money. We'll take it. Oh, hilarious. Hilarious. I have no patience for these people. Zero. Not even a freaking smidge. Not even a freaking smidge. No TikTok. No. I have some cool sunglasses on TikTok, though. Thank you. We got to go into the market recap because that's the only way that my cool will be kept. Okay? Like, I'm going to have to lower the darn air conditioner in this home that I'm in because I'm too heated. Disgraceful. Now, let's get positive and yay, because we're going to look at the market recap where we have some alts really taking off here, but others that are just kind of meh. And that's okay. And you know what? This is okay because Bitcoin needs time off for her mental health, okay? She needs to chill out. She needs to enjoy herself. She needs to enjoy her teen years. And that's exactly what she's doing. She's making the most of it. She's driving people crazy. She's drawing up emotions. She's spinning the world round. It's exactly what's going on. Bitcoin this morning is $59,788. We're trying to target this $60,000 golden zone. We're up almost 2% at this moment in time. Green dot pulling up the momentum. Money flow picking up. Hopefully we'll be in the green. We haven't really been in the green since over here in April. And dang it, I missed the green. RSI, trying to break through that neutral. She's chopping it up in the bearish zone right now. 60,000 we must break. Bullish scenario, $62,181, which is the 200-day SMA. Bearish is 56K. Taking a gander at the weekly chart because this is the new week. Yay, new week. Woo! Yay, new week. We're killing it in the new week. I love the new week. Are you guys turnt for the new week? Put a rocket emoji in the chat. Are you turnt? Are you turnt? Okay. We got the golden zone that we are approaching, which is outlined beautifully in the weekly. I would love to see that happen. Weekly market Cipher is telling us that we have a VWAP that is on the move. We're currently breaking that 2% mark in the green today. Hopefully we'll smash $60,000. Although the momentum is a little bit steep at the moment. Money flow is in the green, looking good. Taking a little dip, but not bad. I'll take her. I'll take it. Looking here, RSI on the weekly, looking to break through that neutral, go bullish. We shall see, as we had quite the red week a few weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Oh boy. Oh freaking boy. Right, Kevin, with the roses. Benny is asking me what's good. I think Bitcoin's doing good. Do you guys agree with me? Do you think Bitcoin is doing good today? I feel some love. I feel some love for Bitcoin. I do. I feel so much love for Bitcoin. It's actually insane. Like, I think my heart would just freaking like, boom, explode. And we only need 2 more likes for 100, so I think we should get it. I think we should get after it. Ethereum this morning, $2,681, up around 5%. Oh boy. Target is 2770 for the bullish. Neutral is around 2600, 2640. Bearish is 2350. Green dot pulling up that momentum, hoping for that money flow to keep on going. It is doing quite well. VWAP is bullish, hopefully even more bullish. And then we have the RSI, which is chopping it up, but came out of that oversold quite nicely and is now kind of chopping up. And maybe we'll go toward the neutral direction, which it's nice that like we bounce out of that oversold quite nicely. And it's good that we're not absolutely exploding out of it because that would worry me as well. The weekly market Cipher. Looking here. I'll get rid of all these drawings. Oopsie. Get rid of all this. There we go. So, bearish looking momentum. But honestly, she could swing around. Hopefully she does. VWAP looks like she's making a move here. We're up 5.3% now. Oh boy. Money flow is looking pretty good on the weekly. RSI needs some work, but looks like it's not terrible. It's really not bad. We haven't been oversold with Ethereum RSI on the weekly since July of 2022, so it's been a hot minute. When will we get back to that? Because I think it'll happen at some point, but I think it'll be like a big drawdown when it does. So be prepared for that. You should always have a bullish and bearish case scenario. And if it hurts you to look at the chart when we have big market drawdowns, then do not look at that darn chart. Litecoin, $61.83. Oh boy, 3.6% in the green. We have a green dot printing on the momentum, moving it up. Money flow needs work. VWAP is a little okay here on the Litecoins daily. We got the RSI that is choppy, but going bullish here, going bullish. And neutral, we want to go to. That is what the hope is. But very nice build up on the RSI. Bullish scenario is $63. Bearish is $43. I'm hoping to get back into the $70 range soon. Shout out to my Papa Tom in the chat. Papa Tom, he said, "Little mama so fire today." Oh. And I must remind you that Tom will be a guest today on the Gemini Spaces. It's going to be a wild week. It was a wild one last week. I'm feeling some vibes for this week. What is going to happen? Where do we stand in the crypto cycle? Boy, oh boy, Tom Crown's going to answer this darn question. So please make sure you guys are joining the space. Link is in the live chat. Make sure you smash the like, you retweet, and you comment that you're on your way. It's going to be at 11:30 a.m. Eastern, an hour away, less than an hour away from this darn moment. All right, continuing. Thank you, Papa Tom, for coming. I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Dogecoin, just over that 10.5 cents. She is battling right now, battling over this. Bullishly, we are looking for that 12 cents point 12222. 6.2% in the green today, so Doge is having a nice day right now. VWAP looks pretty good. Money flow is got to flow a little bit more. Green dot on the momentum is looking good. Looking good. RSI, let's take a gander. Boom. Chopped up after coming out of that oversold, which is nice and looks bullish. Hopefully she maintains. Hopefully she maintains. On the weekly Doge, we do have some nice green money flow. VWAP looks like it might cross that 0 line. Hoping for the best here. Hoping for the best. Oh, Kevin, with another 60 roses. You're killing me this morning, Kevin. Kevin's spoiling me today. He just comes in and he spoils me sometimes. Oh my gosh. Trick Crown, that's hilarious, dude. Trick Crown. Dave Digital, good morning. Jay Beasley said, you're not bullish enough, Annan. True. True, right, Sharam? Am I going to stream the Trump Elon Musk interview? Should I? Now, should I? Oh, thank you for the little good morning, Kevin. Should I? Should I live stream that interview? Well, it's at 8 o'clock tonight. It would be a late night stream. Would you guys want me to stream the Donnie T. Elon stream? Put a one word yes emoji to or no emoji. I think I might consider that. I might consider that. Amy, good morning, Amy. Sharam is here. Rocky B. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Crypto Farmers here. Brandon E., nice to see you. When Bitcoin gets a driver's license, watch out. And usually that's around like 16 years old. It depends on the state. But 16, 17, I think that's the earliest in the states that you could get a license is 16. Maybe 15. Is that true? I know there are people from everywhere in here, so you guys let me know. No said after dark, Randy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know. After dark stream, that would be quite spicy. I don't know. It would be quite spicy. Right, Ape Collective? Right, Ape Collective. It would be quite interesting. I'm not going to lie. Do we have any chart requests as well? I don't know if I asked for that already. Oh boy. Oh boy. Base Randy's the best Randy bullish. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, Wick, that's crazy. That's crazy. All right, hold on. Let's check the subscriber count. Did we get anywhere today? Oh, we did. Oh my gosh, two more. A hardship license in Texas at 15. You could get a license at 15? That's insane, bro. Oh my gosh, no way. I imagine a 15-year-old kid behind the wheel. Jeez, right, Habibi? Hi, Habibi. Wow, I would probably lose the noodle, bro, if I saw a 15-year-old kid. If I was driving at 15, I mean, I got my license when I was 17. I got my license. Got my permit at 16, and which you can't do anything with. You can't drive anywhere in New York with that. So 17 is when I got my license. I didn't wait. I had to do it. Like, I was not waiting. To wait to get your license is torture in life. I don't know why that would even occur. Like, you just get your license, get it over with, so that way you travel, you do whatever you need to do. Like, not having, and drive a jet ski or something. School permit at 14, Nebraska. Holy wow, what? 14 years old. Kids don't even know like how to look up from their phone and get off TikTok for 5 minutes at 14 years old. Jeez. Bitcoin breaking out, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Wow. Holy wow. Guys, Bitcoin is pampeth right now. $60,280. We just hit 60.3K. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Are we going to move on up? Oh, this is the weekly. I'm excited. Let's go to the hourly. Let's go to the hourly chart. Yep, seems like we're having a nice little breakout here. Although we have been a little stretched out with this momentum, a little stretched out. But she breached that 0 line. She's going a little bit bullish. Though the VWAP and the RSI really need to make the push. Like, look at that. That's a little crazy to me. It's a little crazy. She's a little rambunctious today, guys. Bitcoin seems like she's off her rocker today. Seems like her noodle is absolutely messed up this morning. She doesn't know where to go. Bullish, bearish. No idea. No idea. Who knows what's going to happen with Bitcoin? I'm bullish. I'm bullish all the time, 24/7, 365. I don't care if the market's down. I never care. Why? because I know that if I own Bitcoin, I own freedom. And I'm not scared. Okay, Solana. Okay, hold on. Solana for Kevin. Okay, let me go to the daily chart. Give me a second. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. So, Solana, at the 200-day SMA, $148. She's battling it out right now. Absolutely battling it. Bearish scenario is your 134. Bullish, 169, 170. That's what you're looking for. And then the golden zone is right there at 190. Bearish level to watch is 110. Red dot printing on the momentum. VWAP is down. Money flow slightly in the green, though, which gives me hope. So, yeah, I would just look out for maybe not succeeding with the 200-day SMA, 133. But bullishly, if you do, it's, like I said, 170. So this is a cautious level to be at right now, Kevin. And then you put another one. Was it Shiba Inu, I think I saw? Aerodrome Finance. Is that Aero? Is that just A-E-R-O? Hold on. Yes, it is. Okay, I know. See, I remember that one. Okay. These tickers are so crazy. 68 cents right now, 1.9% in the green. Red dot, though, just printed on that momentum. Money flow is flat and in the red, as it has been majority of its lifetime. VWAP is below that zero line, a little bit scurry. We do have a bearish RSI, but looks like it's chopping it up. If it goes neutral, that's good. Because then maybe you'll break above the 69 cents. Bearish is 37 cents. So your neutral is closing above 69. Bullishly is $1, because that's a major psychological level. Hold on. Kevin is going crazy. Can we check out DOT? Yes, we could check out DOT. I don't know the tickers for the other ones, Kevin, so you could just drop them in there if you could. DOT we could do. Hold on. Let me see if I have the right one over here. Oh, where's my DOT chart? Darn. Hold on. What? Oh, there it is. Okay. I was like so confused for a second. Give me a second. Give me a moment. Oh, I'm a little scared. Oh. Well, this is Binance, so there might be lower levels to watch than what I see here. However, $4.65, 3.33%, 333 in the green. Green dot on the momentum is bringing it up. Money flow is okay. VWAP leads a little bit more zest to pump her up. And it came out of that oversold, kind of just flopping around right here, which it could relieve the selling pressure on DOT. You're basically at the bottom of the barrel right now. The bearish level is your $3.58. Bullish is $5.21. I don't got anything more bearish for you other than the beginning of what Binance has, which is around $1.43. And you're getting awfully close to that, my friend. So be careful, Mike. Be careful, but I don't know if I don't think DOT's gonna go anywhere, but let's see. Arrows on life support, LMAO, oh randomness. Listen, there's, some scary little things going on there. All right, let's see if Kevin wrote anything for me here. I'm trying to save my spot. Got you, Mike. Cletus, hello. Okay. Diamond says Crow XRP. Okay, so XRP I did. Crow I can do. Let's do Crow. Okay, got it. Okay. So we got Crow. That is around 9 cents, 0.089 cents this morning, 1.71% in the green. Bullish, you're looking to go. Bullish level, you're looking to go to 95 cents. Not 95, 9.5 cents. Sorry. And then even more bullish is that 11-cent mark for the 200-day SMA. Bearish, though, is your 5.5 cents. I'm not seeing anything too zesty here, though. If Bitcoin picks up, I'm sure other things will pick up too. It's just right now, it just seems a little bit sideways. We could look at VET. Let's look at VGene. Okay. VChains, 0.02344 cents this morning, so just over 2 cents. 4.5% in the green. Bearish level to watch is 0.019 cents. Bullish level to watch is around 2.5, 0.026. Just seems like everything, again, is super sideways. And the most bearish scenario I have for you right now is probably just under a penny and a half. So I would say 0.014. Kind of where we tried to hold and didn't really work. And even in the past, you could stretch it back to and see that that was a real battle with this level, especially right here, where we held our support and then we went boom. We had a really good time. Oy. Okay. Yeah, I think I should shut off my Citizen app from New York. I just get like horrible freaking notifications from that. Mike Williams sent me some headphones. Boop, 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 boop. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. JBZ, I know you want me to look at this cat dog thing, but it's just not enough history for me, my friends. I'm sorry. This is not enough for me. I need more love, time, and dedication for this. Nothing much I could do there. And I apologize for that. But listen, guys, we're getting after it. I'm very excited. And I do have to get ready for my next show at 11:30 a.m. So just over 30 minutes from now, 30-something minutes, 39 minutes from now, I will be live with Gemini. I'll be hosting the spaces with TA icons such as Tom Crown, Frankie Candles, Arcane There, and Garrett Soloway. We're going to be talking about if this is a bull or bear market. Where do we go from here? Please make sure you guys are in that chat. Smash the like, retweet this, and comment your thoughts. Make sure that you guys are there, you're listening, and you enjoy the space. You want me to ask any questions to the TA bros, please comment any questions you may have for them on that tweet. And I got you. I will ask. So, yeah, it's going to be really good. It's going to be a great space. I'm super, super pumped for it. And, yeah, I'm so excited. Yay. Woohoo. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I know we broke down a lot. I know we got after it. Someone asked, is the bull run over? Please tune in 30 minutes to Gemini Space at Gemini on X, and I'll host a space with TA Legends to break that answer down for you. So, guys, please make sure you're there in 30 minutes, 38 minutes away. I'll be hosting a show for Gemini on X Spaces. So if you guys haven't yet, please smash a like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends. Also, like and retweet, comment on that spaces. We're going to get after it today. Happy freaking Monday. Guys, just so you know, this week is going to be amazing, just like every other week. We're going to get after it. We're going to grind. We're going to work. We're going to be able to change the world. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate you more than you understand. Thank you again. Special like, subscribe, share this out with friends. I'll see you later. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.